Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code WS-37469-9. This error often indicates a problem connecting to the server. Your first step should be to visit the network status page to confirm there are no widespread outages. If services are operational, try restarting your router and modem. Unplug them for a full 5 minutes, then plug them back in. This simple reset can often resolve many connectivity issues by refreshing your network's connection. Next, let's optimize your connection. A wired Ethernet connection provides greater stability and speed compared to Wi-Fi, which can often resolve intermittent connection problems. If a wired connection isn't feasible, try connecting your console to an alternative Wi-Fi network, like a mobile hotspot from your phone. This helps determine if the issue is with your primary network or the console itself. Remember to disable any VPNs or proxies. Now let's adjust your console's DNS settings. Navigate to your network settings and choose to set up your internet connection manually. When prompted for DNS settings, select Manual Input. For the primary DNS, enter 8.8.8.8, and for the secondary, use 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers, known for their reliability. Another excellent option is Cloudflare's DNS, using 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Finally, let's refresh your account and system. Try signing out of your account entirely, then sign back in. This can often clear up authentication glitches. If the problem continues, power down your console completely. Then, start it in safe mode and select the option to rebuild the database. This process reorganizes the hard drive, which can fix various system errors without deleting your data. If all else fails, contact your internet service provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.